online coaching class, but how can you make an effective online coaching class advertisement? Here are some tips. The first one is that utilize digital platform to advertise. With the rise in social media, digital platforms are amazing for you to advertise about your online coaching class. Highlight the convenience and the importance of online coaching classes. So talk about flexibility, how everyone can be a part of it, and all they need is just internet. Include personal testimonial. These are from all your past students because personal endorsement will always help you connect better with your audience. Use video contents. So when you're advertising about your online coaching class, you use video so it becomes more interactive. Showcase your expertise. Tell them about your qualification, your experience, so they know that this online coaching class can be trusted. And finally, make it easy for them to sign up. Don't have an elaborate, complicated forms or call to action, just a simple one that will help them sign up for this class. So those were all the tips. I hope you enjoyed this video.